If we twist this piece here and then we twist this piece here, you can see there is a piece that's going to come out of the puzzle. And then you can see a weird part right here as well. And then if we try twist this one more time right here, you can see we can't even twist this open. And there's going to be no way to mix this up because these two pieces of the cube are actually locked into place. This is a Coincrete brick sequential discovery puzzle. It may look like a rotational puzzle, but it is not fully a rotational puzzle. It can be acted as one, but you first have to figure out how to unlock this piece in order to be able to spin this like any other rotational puzzle. This puzzle is level 8 difficulty on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to figure out how to find the coin hidden within. This puzzle is designed by Rex Rosano Perez and made in the Philippines. If you'd like to get the Coincrete brick puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution, to keep watching this video. And if you'd like to see more fun videos like this from Puzzle Master, make sure you click that subscribe button. So to solve this puzzle, we need to take the pieces that come out of this puzzle and use them as tools to help you solve the next part of the puzzle. We can push this in here and we can see a piece moving inside of there, but we actually can't get this out until we've realized that we can actually take this brick off of the puzzle. Once we get this brick off here, we can push this piece open here to reveal a rope hidden within. This rope is not going to help us yet until we find this next piece in the puzzle. If we flip over onto this side here, we can actually take this piece off and out pops this next piece to help us with the rope. So now we got to take this piece and put it together with a rope to form another tool. If we take this tool, we can insert it into this piece here. We take it and we push it in there. We can use this T piece to push it in all of the way. Now, if we hold this T piece in there and we pull on this rope, we can get this piece to come out of the puzzle. It was being held on by a magnet inside of there. And now we can finally rotate this piece. We have now unlocked this brick here, but we're not done there yet. We still have to find the hidden coin. So if we take this T piece, there's a little hole in the bottom of this piece here. If we insert this T piece into that hole and we push that off to the side, that now releases a metal pin from inside of here. Flip this upside down. We hit this in here. We should be able to get this pin to come out. It may get stuck on that magnet inside of there. Got to give it a good extra shake. Now we can take this piece and we got to find where we can use this piece in here. So if we look at this piece here, there is a hole inside of here. We take this piece and we can place this in here. Now we can take this piece and use it as a tool to help us with this step. Give it a push and we should be able to release this part here. Flip this piece over and we can now find the coin hidden within. You can either lock this back up and lock these into place, or you can now use this as a rotational puzzle. And if you really enjoyed watching this puzzle solve, make sure you click this video right here. To get the Coincrete brick puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.